right, hello third grade. Today we're going to continue talking about multi-step problems. So let's practice this problem. It says Amanda had 17 cookies and bought 25 more. She wants to share them equally between herself and 6 friends. How many cookies will Amanda and her friends each get? So let's take a look at our chart real quick on solving multi-step problems. So the very first step is to understand. So first we want to read the problem, then we want to figure out what we're looking for, what we already know. We want to make sure we circle important numbers and underline any labels. So let's take a look back up here. We know that, let's see, the first one is read the problem. So Amanda had 17 cookies and bought 25 more. She wants to share them equally between herself and 6 friends. How many cookies will Amanda and her friends each get? So I am going to put a box around what I am looking for. So I am looking for how many cookies each friend will get. Oops, there we go. Okay. I'm going to circle what I already know, which is important numbers. So I know she has 17 cookies and she buys 25 more. Let's see. She wants to share them equally between herself, which is like 1, her, and her 6 friends. Okay. So now that we understand the problem, we need to plan. So to plan, we need to write out our steps. We need to decide what strategy we're going to use. Are we going to draw a picture? Are we going to use a bar model, or are we going to use a chart? Next, we need to decide if we are multiplying, dividing, adding, or subtracting. So let's take a look. I first need to figure out how many cookies Amanda has. So what I'm going to do is figure out the total number of cookies. And to do that, I have to take 17 and add 25. So I know I'm going to be adding. Now, the second step I'm going to need to do is to figure out the total once she gives herself and her 6 friends cookies. So she's going to be splitting those cookies into equal groups. So I know if I have the total amount and I am giving them to different people, I'm going to be dividing. Okay? So now I already have my plan. I have my plan. The next step to multi-step problems is going to be, let's see. We need to solve. We need to show our work and label our answers. So let's take a look back at our problem. So I need to follow my plan and make sure I'm following it. So my first step is to add the total number of cookies. So I'm just going to do basic addition. I start with 17 and I need to add 25 cookies. There we go. So I know 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So I know that she has 42 total cookies. Okay. Now I need to split them into equal groups by dividing. So I'm going to have 42 divided by, well, let's see. She has 6 friends, but I can't forget her. So 6 plus herself would be 7. So my division problem is 42 divided by 7 equals blank. Well, I need to figure out division. I could also think about multiplication. I could do 7 times blank equals 42. I know that 7 times 5 is 35 using my friendly numbers. I know 7 times 1 is 7. 35 plus 7 I know is 42. So 5 plus 1, 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. So 42 divided by 7 is 6. So I know that each group is going to get 6 cookies. You cannot forget that label. It's very important. Okay? Now, after I finish solving this problem, there's one more step that I need to make sure that I do. And that last step is going to be checking my answer. So, checking your answer is explaining and justifying. Does your answer seem reasonable? Well, if I go back to my problem, I know she had 42 total and I divided it by 7, so that means each friend gets 6 cookies. Yes, that makes sense.